Hey everyone. If you want to apply for jobs in the USA and don't know how to make a proper resume, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a resume for USA jobs in 2026. First, use a professional tool like resume.com. It helps you create a clean and structured USA-style resume very quickly. Next, choose a simple and professional template. USA resumes are usually minimal, clean, and very easy to read. Now add your contact details properly, include your full name, phone number, professional email, and your city or state. Next, write a strong professional summary. Mention your job title, experience level, and key skills in just a few lines. Then add your work experience. In USA resumes, always focus on achievements and results, not just daily tasks. Next, add your education and skills. Keep everything relevant to the job you are applying for. Try to keep your resume one page if possible. Especially if you have less experience, USA employers prefer short and clear resumes. So yeah, that's how you create a resume for USA jobs. Follow each step carefully, and you can apply confidently for American companies. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone!